In this video, we'll learn how to transform a square video into a circular one using Camtasia. First, create a circular shape. Position the shape over the part of the video where you want the zoom out effect to occur. Next, apply the media matte effect to the shape. This effect simplifies adding track mattis or masks to media on the track directly below the shape. Now, add a custom animation. Set the start point of the animation and adjust the scale to reveal more of the background video. Next, select all tracks and split them. Then, group them to create a single object. Add another custom animation to the group. Adjust the settings to create movement for the entire video. The second way to achieve this effect is by using the corner rounding effect along with motion path. First, add a transparent square shape to the timeline. Next, add a custom animation. Use this shape to crop the background video. Once done, delete the square shape. Select the end keyframe and apply the corner rounding and border effects to turn the video into a circular shape with a border. Finally, apply the motion path effect to the video to create smooth, creative movement. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.